In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to add a microchip to a pet and how to register a pet once a microchip has been assigned to it. We are also going to walk you through how to use the microchip registry section of your account to run your own microchip clinic and keep track of all the pets that have been registered through your organization. For pets that are already in the system, assigning a microchip to a pet is very simple. To do this, you can click on the Pets index located under My Pets on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Once here, you can scroll down to the pet that you would like to assign a microchip to. Once you are on the Edit page, you are able to scroll down, select the microchip number field, and enter in the microchip number for the pet. Once the microchip number is entered, hit Submit to save the microchip and assign it to the pet. Once this is done, the microchip is assigned to the pet, and it can be found in the Microchips registry section of your account. To register a chip, once it has been assigned to a pet in the system, you can go to the My Microchip section and click on Microchip Registry. Once here, you can scroll down to the chip you would like to register and click the Register button on the right-hand side. This will bring up a module to enter in your credit card number along with the expiration date and CVC code on the back of the card. Simply enter in your card number, put in the correct expiration date, and the correct security code on the back of the card, and the billing zip code. And once this is done, you can click Purchase to register the microchip. Once a chip is registered, you will see that we ask you if you want to update your registry information now or do it later. Please note that anytime you register a chip, the primary and the secondary contact will automatically be registered to your organization. However, if you are registering a chip for a pet that has already been adopted, we will assign the adopter as the primary contact and leave you as the secondary contact on the microchip. Once you hit No Thanks, it will bring you back to the microchip registry section of your account. From here, you can see all the chips that are not registered, and you can also see the chips that you've just registered and even update the information of those chips. To do this, you can either search by the microchip ID number and click Update Information, or you can just click on the microchip registry section of your account, click on the Register Chips tab, and scroll down through the list to find the chip that you're looking to update. Now that you've seen how to assign a chip to a pet and how to register the microchip, we are going to show you how to register many chips at once, and if you're a microchip clinic, how to register pets and microchips that are not yet in the system. First, to register many chips at once, you're going to want to go to the Microchip Registry section and click on the Non-Registered Chips tab. From here, you are able to select all microchips that are assigned to pets and check off each microchip that you want to register. From there, you can click Actions at the top and click on Bulk Register. This will allow you to register all of these chips at the same time. Please note that once you register all chips for pets that are currently in your possession and are not yet adopted, both the primary and secondary contact will be your organization, and we automatically move the primary contact to the adopter once you process the adoption in our system. For microchip clinics, the process of adding and registering a chip is slightly different. Most of the time, a shelter or rescue running a microchip clinic or a vet office that's running a microchip clinic will have patients come in with a new microchip number and a new pet that is not yet in the system. For this situation, you must add the microchip first and then add the pet when you go to register the chip. Once a microchip clinic implants the chip into the pet, you can go to Actions and Add New Microchip. From there, you can enter in the new chip number and click Save. Once you do this, the chip number will show up at the top of the Microchip Registry Index under the Non-Registered Chips tab. Next, to register the microchip, you can hit the Register button on the right-hand side. Once you register the chip and pay for the registration, it is going to ask you if you want to update the registry information now or wait till later. This time, you're going to want to click Update Information Now. From here, it'll bring you to this page where you can enter in the pet information, the primary contact information, and the secondary contact information. Since the pet is not already in the system, you may not be able to pick it from the pet list up top, but you can enter in the pet's details below. Once you enter in all of this information, it will be saved to the microchip, And the microchip, along with all of the information you enter, will show up in our public search as well as in the search on petmicrochiplookup.org. For microchip clinics looking to track all registries, you are able to track them in the Microchip Registry section of your account under the Registered Chips tab. You are also able to track this information by going to the Reports section of your account and selecting the Microchips report. This concludes the tutorial for adding a microchip to a pet and registering a microchip using the Petstablished software.